Want to add a presenter to your videos without recording yourself? In this tutorial, I'll show you how AI avatars work in VideoGen and how to choose the right quality for your project. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along with the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find the link in the description. So, what exactly are AI avatars? Let's break it down.
Take me, for example. I'm an AI avatar, a digital presenter that can speak your script with natural lip movements and expressions.
You'll see them in workflows like script to video, voiceover to video, and slides to video, where they appear in a fixed presenter position on screen. They act like a consistent host, helping guide viewers through your video from start to finish. Now, let's quickly go through where you can add one in each workflow. Starting with script to video, you can add an avatar from the initial screen or from the script page. Just look toward the bottom of the screen and click Add Avatar. For voiceover to video, start by uploading your audio, then choose your preferred visual style. Once that's set, click Add Avatar. And with slides to video, first upload your presentation or generate your slides. Once your slides are ready, click Add Avatar to add your presenter. From there, you can choose the avatar you want to use and continue setting up your video. Now that you know where to add an avatar, let's look at one of the most important choices: quality. The higher you go, the more realistic and lifelike your avatar becomes, but it also uses more AI credits. Use the quality selector to choose between standard, high, and max, all of which support custom avatars. Standard offers a good balance of quality and AI credit usage. High gives you more realistic movement and expressions, while max delivers the most lifelike results at the highest credit usage. There's also low, which is faster and better for quick drafts, but has fewer avatar options and doesn't support custom avatars. Simply put, higher quality gives you a more realistic avatar, but uses more AI credits. Before we wrap up, there's one more feature worth mentioning: actors. They may look similar to avatars, but they work a little differently. The avatars we've covered act as consistent presenters with a set position in your video. You can place your avatar in the top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, or display it full screen depending on your layout. Actors, on the other hand, can be used more dynamically. For example, in storyboard to video, actors can be placed differently in each scene, making them feel more like characters within the video. So think of avatars as your consistent on-screen presenter, while actors can become part of individual scenes.
I move it.
And that's it. Now you know how AI avatars work, where to add them, and how to choose the right quality for your video. Sign up and try VideoGen today.